What is a petitioner and beneficiary for family immigration? Imagine trying to bring your family closer by making their dream of living in the United States come true. It all starts with understanding two important roles in this process: the petitioner and the beneficiary. In family-based immigration, the petitioner is the person who takes the first step. Usually, this is a U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident, which means they have a green card. They file a special form called Form I-130, Petition for Alien Relative. This form proves the family relationship and shows the petitioner's legal status. The petitioner is responsible for starting the process and providing evidence like birth certificates or marriage certificates to support the claim. The beneficiary is the family member who wants to move to the United States. This could be a spouse, child, parent, sibling, or in some cases, a married son or daughter of a U.S. citizen. The beneficiary is the person who will receive the green card if everything goes smoothly. Sometimes, the spouse and children of the primary beneficiary can also qualify as derivative beneficiaries, meaning they can immigrate based on the main petition. Let's look at an example. If a U.S. citizen parent wants to bring their married son or daughter to the U.S., the parent is the petitioner. They file the Form I-130 to show their relationship. Once the petition is approved, the married son or daughter becomes the beneficiary and can apply for permanent residence. The process begins when the petitioner files the form with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. After approval, the beneficiary can apply for a green card either through adjustment of status if they are already in the U.S. or through consular processing if they are outside the country. The timeline depends on the petitioner's citizenship status and the family category. For Latino families, understanding these roles helps plan ahead. The petitioner must gather proof of the family bond, like birth or marriage certificates, and prove their U.S. citizenship or green card status. The beneficiary should prepare documents for the next steps, like attending interviews or submitting additional paperwork. In the case of married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, the petition is part of a family preference category. These categories have specific rules about who can petition and who can be a beneficiary. The process can take several years depending on the category and country of origin. Knowing who the petitioner and beneficiary are makes the whole immigration process clearer. It helps families stay organized and ready for each step, making the journey toward reuniting in the United States smoother and less stressful.